I'm Eric, and welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. And yes, if you're looking for Philippines content, we're not in Italy. You're in the right place. And a couple of things. I look very rough today because I was very drunk last night, which is a common theme of some what you'll see here on this channel if you're not familiar with it. And no, I will not be showing you another, oh my god, it's the Venice Canal Mall and it's so amazing video today, because been there, done that, and really, like, once you sort of check it out, like, what else is there to see? But I will show you this dude that I met last night, Dimitri from
The
Time-Lapse Traveler. Yes,
That's right.
and the crazy thing about Dimitri's channel, it's just absolutely outrageously visually stunning, because he is shooting not only like New York City and all kinds of places, but he's shooting BGC with a 360 camera, and the 360 camera is so insanely out of control, visually appealing. Check out Dimitri's channel. I'll put the little link or whatever in the video. I'm drunk, who cares, whatever. All right, this guy Dimitri, he's really interesting. He's got a really interesting situation, but his content is just baller. Like, he's got this insane 360-degree camera, which after watching what he was filming with it, I'm like, dude, I literally have to go out tomorrow and buy one. Stick around for like what's really going on. Nightlife, girls, booze, lifestyle, cost of living. You know the drill, you know the drill. Wow, I'm in Pollo Loco here in the Venice Canal Mall in the Philippines, and the tacos are so wonderful. Wow, actually, they're probably barely passable. It's my first time in here. I only stopped in because I'm desperate. Normally, I would not do carbs, but like I said, I was drunk as a skunk last night, so Pollo Loco, everybody. I did say cost of living, right? So those two Pollo Loco tacos were actually pretty damn good. It was 210 pesos. That is $3.80. So I kind of feel like that's all right. But if you go to, can't remember, because last night was rough and I was drunk as a skunk, and we'll talk about that. Army Navy, yeah, Army Navy's kind of like, I don't know, this California fast food, like burrito joint. You can get 3 chicken soft tacos there for 220 pesos. So that would be about $4 US. Anyway, cost of living. You don't care about tacos in the Philippines. You care about booze and partying. At least I do. And last night I was out with my bro Phil. Philo in the Philippines, if you don't know him. We were so smashed that we forgot to even shoot video. And like, we shoot video all the time. Anyway, Phil's a great guy. He's got a cool channel. Does very different things than I do. And he lives in Angeles, whereas I live in Manila. So where did we go last night? We went to one of my favorite spots, Lips. Lips is a great bar. We started the night downstairs. Chill, rock music, pool table. We got a bottle. I think we got a bottle of cheap vodka. It was 2,200 pesos. I'll do the conversion for that. And 2 sugar-free Red Bulls. So you'll see how much it costs to get a bottle and a couple mixers at a cool little bar. So I must say that I probably drank 3/4 of the bottle. I was wrecked. And we're not even gonna talk about what happened once we went upstairs. I think I started buying bar girl drinks, which is something I never ever do, but I was surprised to see someone I know. You could almost say a friend, a previous friend, a former friend. Let's not get into too many details here, but she was working as a bikini bar girl in Lips, and I was just like blown away, and I'm like, yeah, of course I'll buy you a drink. Anyway, it was a hell of a time. Let me see if I can dig up some Lips video for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Few things that makes Lips such a great spot to party is it's chill. They got a pool table, they got cheap booze, lots of times your friends will stop in, everyone's friendly, everyone pretty much knows each other, and it's got a real dance floor. And let me tell you, Filipinas love to dance. Should I make a comment? Should I? I'm very tempted to. Oh, it's a laundry shop. Funny how context puts things in perspective. The Buccaneers Rum Bar, usually the kind of spot we hop into, grab a few drinks, see who's out for the night, but it's also a really social bar and super easy to meet girls here. Couple of things we really like about Neon Nights. One, it's actually got a dance floor. It's one of the few clubs in and around the P. Burgos area other than Lips that has one. Most nights of the week, there is no consumable fee to get a table. You can just kind of go in there, order a couple drinks, hang and chill, meet up with some new folks, and or watch the show because of the Neon Dancers. Nights like this, where it's chill, you don't have a lot of people on the dance floor, you get the dance troupe. Now, I can't really show you this on public YouTube. You can see all the action as a channel member, especially on the Manila After Dark series. Even after a night of dancing in a spot like Neon, the night is young. Manila is a late night town, and the premier after hour spot is going to be Secret Door. We usually don't even duck in here until 3 or 4 in the morning when half the other spots are closed or people are just getting off work. Because Manila's pretty much a 24/7 town. People are working round the clock here. The great thing about Secret Door is by the time people get here, they are pretty much lit and they are happy to socialize. It is easy to meet, let's just say, a companion here. Bangus, talong, eggplant, cooked in eggs. This is the ampalaya, diba?
Yeah.
This is squash. This is a manok, which is chicken chicken adobo. Here's what I'm getting. The bean soup, it's so good. Alright. 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, I don't even know. Taxi dropped us off after the all-night bomb-ass party. We went out on Sunday night at 11 o'clock. Didn't even want to go out. But my bro's like, hey, I'm going out. And I'm like, wow, you're my bro, so I'll be there. And then throwdown night, all night. And now home in the barangay, the Palenque. One ride away. That's a Filipino thing. That could be a jeepney. That could be a tricycle.
Is it a black card?
Yeah, I'm doing a vlog, bro. You want to say hi? Come say hi. What's up?
Hey, good morning.
Yes, it's good morning. Good morning from the Philippines.
Which country are you at?
Are you going to go to work soon?
Yeah.
The Filipino bro.
Coffee break?
He's having a coffee break at 7 in the morning. What, 7 or 8? What's up?
No, it's 6.
6.
Something,
Oh, it's
yeah.
only 6. Anyway, the bro wanted to say hi. Bro, say hi to the world.
Hi, hello. Hello, black. Hello, white.
Ah, Filipino bros.
All right.
Good guys.
Let's see, man.
This is the mango, the mung beans. Incredible. This is the tilapia. Not tilapia. This is bangus.
That's tilapia.
No, I think that's
That's
bangus.
yeah.
This one's the talong, the eggplant cooked with egg. This one's the chicken
Adobo.
adobo. This is the ampalaya. Bitter, really bitter. It's like an acquired taste. And of course rice, because rice is life in the Philippines. Incredibly awesome, culturally cuisine experience here. The Philippines is amazing. The Philippines has so many levels of amazing. The Philippines has high-end, like super bro level amazing. And the Philippines has like street level, like chill levels of amazing. Right now, this is street level, 6 in the morning.
eatery. This is Filipino cooking. And it's absolutely awesome. This is what's left of the adobo manok. All I can say is Travis Kraft would be like super proud, man. Representing the Philippines. Manok, baby. Sobrang masarap. That was an incredible experience. You know, I've never been a fan of Filipino food and literally avoid Filipino street food because it was years ago. I mean, years ago now. I ate some street squid. Got total respect for street squid and love squid. And I ate some of that shit and I got sick as a dog and literally swore off street food for years. But now, after almost a decade in the Philippines, I've literally got an iron stomach. I could go to India and eat off the street, you know, I wouldn't get sick. How fun this is. Oh my God. Yeah, we're going home. We had some good food. Sobrang busog na. Welcome to the Barangay. It looks incredibly...
I need to hold you.
Oh, you need to hold me. Okay, she wants to hold me. The street here ain't so easy to walk in high heels. And there's like a whole situational awareness level of street here. Like, say somebody wanted to throw down here. Say you had to like square off. Your footing's gonna be here, even if you're wearing good shoes, good sneakers, whatever. That's what they call environmental awareness. Anyway, other levels, other discussions, completely different, divergent. Oh, now I'm carrying purses. Jesus Christ. My point is, the Philippines is an incredibly diverse country. The cuisine is not internationally respected, and it literally took a decade for that to grow on me. But enjoyed it. We ordered 5 entrees, 5 dishes basically
Different
tonight.
dishes.
5 different dishes, 284
And
pesos.
included the free.
And they gave us some free like soup. So 6 dishes, 284 pesos. That's like
Not included the rice.
that's $5.
Not included the rice.
And rice was free. And I don't
No,
eat rice.
it's not free.
Oh, it included the rice. So 5 dishes plus rice and a free dish. That's 6 dishes and rice. 284 pesos, $5 at 6:30 in the morning in the barangay here in the Philippines. Oh my God. Hello, Filipino doggy. Filipino doggies are cute. They're short, like Filipinos.